If you're considering Zoho Desk for your customer support needs, you're probably wondering how it stacks up against the competition. Is it worth the investment, or are there better options out there? By the end of this video, we'll cover 12 essential things you need to know before making a decision. First off, Zoho Desk shines when it comes to its affordability. Compared to tools like Zendesk or Freshdesk, Zoho Desk offers a much lower price point while still providing an impressive range of features. The entry-level plan is one of the most cost-effective in the market, which makes it attractive for small businesses and startups. Next thing to consider is its user interface. Zoho Desk's interface is clean, simple, and intuitive, which is a huge advantage over some of the more complex competitors. It's easy for teams to get up to speed without extensive training, and the dashboard is customizable so you can see the metrics that matter most to your team. The third thing is multi-channel support. Zoho Desk offers email, chat, phone, and social media integrations, allowing you to manage all customer interactions from one place. This is comparable to Zendesk, but Zoho makes it easier to set up and more accessible for smaller teams. The fourth thing to highlight is automation. Zoho Desk's automation tools are solid, but they aren't as powerful as competitors like Freshdesk or Zendesk. It's good for basic workflows like ticket routing and priority management, but if you need advanced automation, you might want to look elsewhere. Next thing is integration with other Zoho apps. If you're already using Zoho CRM or other Zoho tools, you'll love how seamlessly Zoho Desk integrates with them. It creates a unified experience, which is a massive advantage if you're embedded in the Zoho ecosystem. The sixth thing is customization options. Zoho Desk allows you to tailor the system to your specific needs with customizable ticket fields, workflows, and views. It's flexible enough for most businesses, but there are some limitations compared to more specialized tools like Freshdesk. Next, let's talk about knowledge base management. Zoho Desk offers a built-in knowledge base, which is a great way to empower customers to find answers on their own. However, it's not as robust as Zendesk's knowledge management features, so if that's a priority for your business, it's worth comparing further. The eighth thing is analytics and reporting. Zoho Desk's reporting tools are decent, providing essential insights like ticket volumes, response times, and customer satisfaction metrics. But if you need more advanced reporting, platforms like Zendesk may offer more granular options. The ninth thing is customer support. Zoho Desk provides 24/7 customer support, but some users report longer response times compared to other help desk providers. If immediate support is crucial for your team, it might not be as fast as Zendesk or Freshdesk. Next, mobile accessibility. Zoho Desk has a well-rated mobile app that allows agents to stay on top of tickets and respond to customers while on the go. However, it's not as polished as Zendesk's mobile app, which might be a factor if your team is highly mobile. The 11th thing is security. Zoho Desk offers standard security features like encryption and role-based access, which is adequate for most businesses. But for highly sensitive industries, you may want to investigate whether the security measures align with your needs when compared to more security-focused competitors like Freshdesk. Lastly, Zoho Desk has a scalable pricing model. This is great for businesses that are growing fast. You can start with a basic plan and scale up as needed, adding features like advanced analytics or custom branding. However, while the basic plan is affordable, some of the higher tier plans can get pricey, so it's important to factor that into your decision. To sum it up, Zoho Desk is a solid option for businesses looking for a budget-friendly help desk software with solid features and ease of use. While it may not have all the bells and whistles of Zendesk or Freshdesk, it provides excellent value for most small to medium-sized businesses. But if you're looking for something that offers more advanced features, we've got a recommendation that you can try for free. Check out the link below to get started today.